Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to reveal to you 5 different websites where you can make up to $30 and above, even $50 and above just by training AI. Yes, and in recent lines, I've made a video, I think 2 videos about all this website before, just a detailed explanation on each of these websites. But today, I'm just compiling 5 different websites on this video so that you can watch it and choose anyone that you want to go into. Like I said, it's just for you to train AI, but you need to gain some level of expertise before you can start earning from all this platform. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how it's gonna be done, how this website actually works. So if that is something that you love, make sure you watch this video to the very end. Also, I'd like to let you know that this platform, they are all legit. Yes, legit. You can go to your Google, go to your ChatGPT, ask your ChatGPT if they are legit to actually confirm for yourself. I also know that they accept Nigeria. Yes, these are no platform that does not accept Nigeria. No, all these ones, they accept Nigeria as long as you are qualified for their roles. Yes, so our advice is not to just stay there or scroll away after some time. Make sure you watch this video to the very end so you know what I'm actually talking about. And let me let you know, this platform pays based on your experience, based on your expertise, and based on how you are able to deliver, yes, on your delivering time. Yeah, that is what they pay based on. Also know that this is not a get rich quick scheme. No, you have to take your time to actually go through it before you get paid, because they are actually looking for real information. They are looking for real data, not fake stuff. Yes, so that is why they are offering a good amount of money so that they will actually get real information, because paying up to $30 to $50 per hour is not a joke. Yes, so they really want someone that will give them information. That's why they are paying that very high amount of money. So I won't like to bore you with too much talk. I will dive into the website very soon so you will actually see there for yourself. But before I do that, if this is your first time coming across my video, my name is SoloWise, and on this channel I teach you about content creation, YouTube groups, and also how to make money online. I also do reviews on different kind of platforms, different kind of websites. Yes, I do reviews on them. So if that is something that you like, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notification bell so that anytime I release video just like this, you'll be the first to get notified. And don't forget to like and share this video to do that. You know that this video will be helpful too. So without more further ado, let's dive into the video. Number one platform is called Toloka's AI. Yes, Toloka AI. But if you go to your browser and just search for Toloka AI, it will take you to their main website. It will not take you to where they used to make money. Yeah, where you can make money, it will take you there. It will just take you to their normal blog website. So for you to be able to use it to make money, to able to start training their AI, you come to this browser that says toloka.ai stroke Tolokas. So that is the place where you can start making money. And this Toloka AI is one of the easiest platform for beginners. Yes, you can earn by completely small online tasks that help trains AI. Yes, and you on this platform, beginners earn a few dollars per day. So yes, it's very good, and it specializes on projects like videos, audios, language tasks. These are projects that usually pay more. Yes, that is for you to teach the AI how to edit video, how to edit audios, like how to trade them on languages. Yes, and the econ depends heavily on your country, your accuracy score, and task availability. Yes, so for you to get started, you can just come to this place that says login to earn. Click on login to earn. Then over here you can just use your click on any one that you want to use to log in. You can use Google, LinkedIn, Facebook, GitHub, Microsoft, or even Apple. You can use any of them to log in. Number 2 platform is called Prolific AI. Yes, Prolific AI is primarily used to assess and qualify workers for AI projects. And the ways you can make money is by passing qualification tests. Because once you decide to start, you have to pass the qualification test. Data labeling, language related tasks, those are the work that you can do here. Yes, you can do passive qualification tests and a lot of others work. And on this platform usually is usually higher than basic micro tasks, because projects require qualification. Yes, you have to be qualified. The more as assessments you pass, the more projects that will become available for you. So that is it about this website. So for you to just to get started, to start making money from you, can just come to this page that say paid, get paid to participate. Click on get paid to participate. Then you see a lot. Yeah, you can just scroll down, read everything here so that you know what you are doing here. Then you can click on this sign up, join our waitlist in 3 minutes. We'll invite you as soon as possible. So once you sign up, or you can just click on this start any to sign up, and you upload your CV, your credential, everything. Then they will send you an email on your email for them inviting you to come and start. Yeah. The next one is Surge AI. Yes, Surge AI is the third platform where you can make money just by training AI. Surge AI work with major AI companies and hire contributors to improve AI models. Yes, and the way you can make money from this Surge AI is by evaluating AI generated response, ranking chatbot answers, writing prompts, language tasks, data annotation, fact checking AI output, specialized domain work such as coding, law, medicine, is etc, and even business. Yes, if you have any knowledge about those ones, you can actually register. Yeah, so if you come to the platform, this is how it look like, but I think this is where it will take you to. So for you to start, just you come to this place that says careers, click on careers. Then you see a lot of their work here. You can see data scientists, forward, there are a lot. Backend, there's backend engineer, data science growth, forward, front end engineer growth, full stack. There are a lot of them for you to like apply on. Yeah, so there's brand strategies, content strategies, corporate, creative director, and a lot account manager. There are a lot of this in here that you can actually sign up for, and you will get paid. Number 4 platform is called Meridian AI. Yes, Meridian AI. So this is another platform where you can make money just by training AI. Meridian focus on AI data collection and annotation projects. And the ways you can make money on this platform is by speech recording, image collection, video collection, data labeling, and research. Yes, project is based is this is project based rather than constant daily work. Some projects pay a fixed amount per complete task. Yes, that is just it. So for you to start on this on this platform, you just come to this place that says join the Meridian network and click on it. Once you click on it, just scroll down, then you see a lot. They have a lot of projects. You can see they have over 467 projects that you can actually just scroll it and look for the one that fits you, click on it and register. Once you register, they will send you an email for you to start working. Now the next one is Mindrift. So this Mindrift, I won't be talking about it. I already have a detailed video about this Mindrift. I've already uploaded it on my channel. Go to my channel and go and watch it. You will really love this Mindrift because you can start earning from it instantly. Yes, this Mindrift is very easy to understand. I made a detailed video on it. Go to my channel and you will get that. And also, I know you might want to ask, how can you withdraw your money from this platform? All these platforms, they use they pay through paper. Yeah, you pay through paper. And if you don't have a paper account, click the video that is showing that will be showing right now, and it will take you to my video on how to create your paper account. So without wasting any of time, let's get into it.